Donbosco Technical School Shillong kalasoi yaka Memorandum of Understanding MOU but ka Trinity Academy of Advanced Studies Taas International haka arphau tarik naitung ban Hikai kran but thok tien Jerman ha Shillong nagbanta ki Samla ki batrang ban trainers sa Germany. Yakani ke MOU lasoi hapadeng Reverend Padar Shining, Principal Donbosco Technical School, but Usaji Joseph, Director of Taas International.
Not as a course. So you can see one sentence here. The first step towards your career in German language. I would like to add on that, or a little bit slight change. This is the first step towards your nursing career in Germany. You have initiated the step. This is the first step for your nursing career in Germany. So, the first part is learning this language. The second part is starting your work in Germany. There are two parts only. The first part is here. That will be happening here in your place. The second part also, the 90% will be happening here in your country only. When you get the visa, you will enter Germany. Straight away, you will start working. So no need to wait to realize all those things. On the first day itself, your trainer will show you the contract letter, the job employment letter. She already received the job employment letter. As I mentioned in the seminar that Google me, she already received the job contract letter through me already. Right. And by the grace of God, I can tell you that before clearing her B2, she received her offer. So that means, if you are good enough, there is a chance to get your employment contract letter. I repeat, if you are good enough in communication, if you can communicate German language fluently, maybe before completing the 4th level also, there is a chance. Okay, when I will be here sometimes, if I find that of trainer of always saying that there are some students who can speak excellently, in excellent manner in German language, then I will recheck again with the German citizens. And if they also say that oh, they are good enough, then you can expect some interview which will be handled by the German employees. No need to worry on that. I have given that opportunity to Ashley. Ashley is successful in that section and she received her offer letter. So on the first day itself, you can see the contract, job contract letter.
The man kawai ka level, each level kan simpor kuma arpanai AA. Let's say ka level 1, let's say Sao Po Sao San Sngi. The level 2, let's say San Po Sngi Kunta. Kasi buk jina kelumba kan simpor kuma to arpanai AA ka. So each level will take at least 4 months. Kata pada kecil. Henry ko patay siya nene pada pikwa kana pada ngisiwan bantit ya ka German language course ngino trade sa Germany nene ngasiwa kan trade ng bande ng bajang pi ng bajang kiwebat ki perlong nene kibriu ba mana itu pila man ya kata pila ng bude German language course Henry pihak super ke full amount biar tukar kan level suika full amount of fees. Full amount of fees, yaitu khasinews per level fee. Kata di minimum pilih siapa nafsu lai proses perwajar. Minimum 100,000 kasi sebab kalau cukupnya 100,000 for one level. Kata, okay, sisters, it's not applicable for you. Okay, let me clarify before you ask question. I'm not going for work now. Okay. Kata kalian kepada berkecil sih, maka kapor kalau benaik kecil untuk mendapatkan course. Mereka timing kedai proses ni, nyadok kendai baje, dosa baje, kekus, natip dalam nejak ni pada kendurnya nga, kita naik tray, dan yang berkat, aku ingin seberkat kalau berkom, nasi berbaik mis dan Kairo, kalau berkom menawan ajas, ya kami terbayang pementai kedai ke full day kelas, yang ada masuk ke school. But dalam ni yang jumpa bagi ni, nedon kibru berkat, kuno donbosco kelas pada sedikit ke German language course. Kadang borne kata nim don borne. Nimla. Kaya pangila ne kedema kadang tangga training. Kadang tangga training. Anda ke certificate di banyak certificate penyok nada authorizing body. Gaute institute ba kin kenda exam apa goti dan kata. Dia kini bandai training don kampi tu. Begini thought yang exam hakka to institute tangan tak begitu. Nila dan thought B1 row, nila dan thought A1 row, tambahnya perlu bisa mo indonkan. Lepas thought ke B2 kimong le, I got certificate juga A1, I got certificate juga B2 indonkan le. So apply ni thought, ku boleh thought need exam, ku boleh thought CUBT ki kanan. So apply ni thought. Bila aku thought saya lo, nabi kan ready. Kalau tahan ready bahan yang apa, kita nimbat ready indonkan kan, coaching indonkan training. The certificate finally but the macam ni ndai ban ai donbosco maki kini kami thought exam kini yang nak tukar ka authorizing body yang certificate kini saya dan kene madam aku tinggi donbosco balas na certificate insya Allah training ni pun kaya ki kena mengenda kali talk exam kin pass kini exam kata by day but so I'm planning to explain to them about the certification program that we are not giving the certificate. No, we are only preparing them for exams. And finally for B2, we are going either to Calcutta or Guwahati for the final exam. Also, they get the Institute the certificate. Then, don't clean free. Bisa mereka masuk cepat refundable. Tapi benda training minum refund. Ma, ya kan ini nggak percaya itu ba, don't kejimut. Ada ke training ke Khuborjylla tanya gitu mo ayo mereka benefit ba free training ama contain opinions as employers mas janji mo in some process mas kan terus lebih dari one in some process contact bagi employers kini kita kita already bentuk isi interview utama nak kan untuk terus benar train directly mo kita rasa sepanjang training sepanjang fees kermen kalasai hanya cuaca angin keren cepat ke Germany kalau untuk